Hey guys, welcome back to ShopShipShake channel. This is Shirley. Today let's talk about children's wear. Due to the lockdown, we are limited at home for such a long time. Someone said it is a really good time to make babies, and there may be a baby boom in October or November. So children's wear is likely to sell well this year. Today I will share some children's wear industries in China and some best-selling items. Also, I will recommend you some good quality suppliers. Hope it can be a good help for your business. As we all know, China is the largest garment producer and exporter in the world. The main children wear manufacturing bases in China are Fujian Shishi Fengli, Huzhou Zhili, Guangdong Foshan. For Fujian Shishi Fengli manufacturing base, the most distinct characteristic is it has formed an industry chain focusing on children's wear processing and production. At present, the enterprise related to children's wear in Fengli amounted to more than 750, and the employees have been over 40,000. The annual production of children's wear is more than 50 million size, and the annual output value is over 1 billion RMB. Zhilitang is one of the most famous children's wear manufacturing bases in China. Almost every family here is connected with children's wear and the industries that are related to children's wear. In 2002, it was named the most famous children's wear town in China by China Textile Industry Association and China National Garment Association. In Foshan, there are over 2,000 children's wear production and supporting enterprises. With about 70,000 employees in children's wear industry, the annual output reaches 170 million size. It has formed a complete industrial chain including children's wear design, processing, production, and logistics, as well as a linked and complementary children's wear industry cluster. Also, it has a number of well-known children's wear brands, and their products exported to the US, Canada, Europe, Japan, the Middle East, and other places. Here are some top search terms on ShopShipShake. You can have a look, such as kids' jackets, pajamas, jeans, slippers, shorts. So for now, it is winter in South Africa, so people search a lot for jackets, pajamas, and tracksuits. Here are some best-selling items on ShopShipShake. First is this furry jacket. It has all the good things about a winter jacket: soft, fuzzy, comfortable, and warm. Also, it is secured with cotton jacket inside. It must keep you warm for a long time when you go outside. Second is this boy suit. No kid can say no to cartoons. Spider-Man may be boys' favorite. The bright color, classic character, and cool style make it popular among kids. Next is this children mask. Due to the epidemic, mask becomes a must when we go outside, and this warm mask sold well, especially for winter. Except these three hot products, there are also some popular ones. You can search more on our website. Even for some summer wears like dresses, shorts, you can also take them into consideration. If you buy now and ship by sea, it can save you more on shipping fee and they will be in season when arrive. When buying children's wear, most people concerned about size and material. Here is a size table for children's wear. You can take it as a reference when you select items. Actually, the suppliers show size table on their item page. You can slide down and see exactly. Normally, kids grow faster than us, so for some experienced buyers, they always choose 1 to 2 size larger. The second concern is material. Children's skin is delicate and soft, especially babies. So when you are searching wears for some young kids and babies, you can add keywords: newborn, baby, soft, pure cotton, breathable, and so on. Recently, so many customers are worried about the item quality. For children's wear, I will show you some good suppliers. You can have a look and copy items linked to ShopShipShake searching blank. Then you can add favorites in your cart. Okay dears, thanks for your watching. That's all for today. Don't forget to give a like to subscribe us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Wish you all the best in your business. See you next time.